our 60-inch 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and the overall height, we have 43 inches with legs, and the overall height minus the splash, we have at least 36 inches. 3 tubs, with each tub measuring 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, and 12 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 bays in the sink. Included for each sink compartment will also be the strainer and sink stopper, along with a swivel head faucet, which measures 9 inches from left to right for the mount and 8 inches for the spout. And located on the top left corner will be NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.